All right, boys and girls, welcome back to a night ride. I've not done a night ride in forever. But there's a few things I want to update you guys on because I have to update you guys on them. Number one, the guy that had his bike stolen with that video that I made, they actually found the truck. They just found it abandoned. Funny thing is that the Kijiji ad I used for the truck description, that was actually the truck. And the second my video went live, the ad came down because they're trying to sell a stolen truck. And then the guy who got his bike stolen still hasn't found his bike, but he said that my video spooked him into like hiding the ad, and he was asking if I had more screenshots or something of the ad that I used because the cops wanted it. But unfortunately I just used the photos to try and find the best description. You know, he told me the truck's this and this. I found a photo, but it's just hilarious that the Kijiji ad I used was the actual stolen truck they're trying to sell. So that's really weird, tell you that. And so the cops are asking me for more information. They wanted to see if I had more info about it, but unfortunately I didn't. It was just trying to use the photo, so it's crazy. Number two is the Viking War Clans giveaway thing. Is you guys have to download the app that I talked about in the last video. Look in the description below for last video. Go watch that. Watch the little 30-second ad. You have to download that game from my link and then post up a screenshot to the Facebook post I made on about that video, and then within 2 weeks I'm going to choose 3 of you that reach level 5. So post your level 5 screenshot of your character on my Facebook page. I want to send you snowcat merch, and that's something that the sponsor wants me to do for you guys. Engage with you guys, give you guys some free stuff. They think it's dope, and it's awesome, guys, because without you I couldn't do what I do. And thank you for letting me have some ads now and then. I know some YouTube channels have so many ads. They have ads every single video, plus the Google ads. You know, I work with some sponsors now and then to help out my channel directly, and you know, the feedback is positive. Is mostly positive from you guys. A couple comments here and there saying, oh, sell it. Like, if you guys knew the situation of behind the scenes of the craziness of the adpocalypse and low views and the way YouTube's hiding content from subscribers. I've had so many subscribers come up to me, hey man, I thought your videos just stopped, because they stopped getting suggested. So you guys gotta hit the subscribe button and the bell to get my videos, and hopefully we'll get them out to you guys more. But I've had so many subscribers in my own city say, hey man, I thought you stopped making videos one day. I'm like, no, I didn't. I still make those videos. They just don't get suggested as much anymore, which kind of blows. But that's that. So thank you guys. I gotta thank you for letting me have my ads now and then. You know, I really, you know, the sponsors like my content and my fan base, and they want to tap into that, and it also helps me out because of the lost revenue we get, because it's expensive to run a YouTube channel, man. Some people just don't get that. They just really don't get that. They, you know, like, do you want your money back that you spent? Like, because you don't spend any money watching these videos. So, you know, anyways, screw the haters. Thanks to the guys that let me do that. That's awesome. And then the third thing was India. Now there's this bike meetup in India on the I think it's 27, 28, or 28, 29 of July. I forget. I'll post the ad here. And they've been trying to get me to go. It's India. I've been hesitant. My visa was approved to go. Once the flights come in, hopefully Monday, which was today, so I never got those. You know, I might be going to India, and the reason why I'm not making a whole video about this is because I still don't have my flights yet, so I don't know if I'm actually going. I don't want to make a huge deal about it. They put me on the flyer already for this big meetup, so hopefully my flights get approved and I can actually get entry, but I'll keep you guys updated on that, because I know I have a lot of Indian viewers and a lot of people over there looking forward to that. So we'll see what happens, guys. But like I said, it's been questionable from the start. I'm not gonna lie, it's been some questionable things. A couple other creators that were supposed to go bowed out of it because they didn't feel it was quite right. The curiosity of me, the curious cat of me, you know, I've never been to India. I'd love to go. Plus they're getting me a bike, and it's a free trip. So, you know, that would be absolutely dope too. But also, you know, tap into the Indian motovlogger scene. I mean, as you guys know, India is like tons of people there, tons of motorcycles there. It's crazy, right? So might as well try and tap into that market as well. Like, I don't know, we'll see what happens. And what else? There was one more thing. 3 main things and one more thing. I forget the other thing. Maybe it wasn't that important. Didn't go red. That wasn't illegal. For all you keyboard warriors ready to rip snowcat you red a light. Calgary Stampede is over. It's a huge week-long thing. I just avoid. I've been, you know, to so many stampedes in my lifetime. I'm just done with it, you know. So no stampede footage this year. I went downtown a little bit the other day. It was kind of fun. Didn't really do too much filming though, so maybe that'll pop out sooner or later. And summer is hot here, guys. It's 21 degrees Celsius. So that's get off your phone, man. Like, it's 21 degrees. Which is crazy, which is 21 times 2, so 70 degrees Fahrenheit at 11 p.m. where I live. That's insane for us. The other thing is the Calgary Transit video I posted 2 days ago was also, some subscribers sent it to Calgary Transit from my city. They tweeted it to them, so maybe something will happen about that. The video doesn't really show them on the phone. It shows them putting down the phone, but I saw with my own eyes because the camera's offset, so I saw with my own eyes, and so did 2 of my friends saw him on the phone. So there's not enough witnesses. But as you guys know, texting and driving is a no-no, no matter if you're stopped, moving, whatever. Don't use your phone when you drive. It's even a bigger no-no when you're a bus driver, like, you know, with people's lives in your hands. Like, if you're at a red light, especially in a car, you see another car coming at you, or you can witness a collision, or if you're you know, you're watching and looking and you're not being retarded, you know, you're able to control your motor vehicle and get out the way or do whatever. So it doesn't matter if you're stopped, moving, whatever. I don't care. Especially here in Alberta, it is illegal to be on your phone no matter what. No matter what, you cannot use your phone. And as part of Calgary Transit, the bus company, part of their policy, a good buddy of mine is actually an officer, a peace officer, does the platforms and all that stuff. He's basically a transit cop, and he told me it's in their manual that they can't be on their phone as well. So it's like 2 big rules. So there you go. That was given to Calgary Transit. And what else to update you guys on? Oh, damn. Coming in hot. You know what? It's where I live, man. It's a lot of stuff going on lately. It's just not good. A lot of stuff in the news lately of stabbings and killings and gunshots, and it's kind of crazy. It's kind of sleepy little town, man. We don't have that much violence. It's been so much lately. And I head into my favorite spot, Stony Trail, which is also called the Stoningburg Ring. And we're about to do some little bit of knee down action. I think it's warm enough for these tires to be sticky. We'll soon find out if it's a little bit wobbly. Watching MotoGP this weekend, man, such fun races, such talented riders. Makes you feel slow, you know. All tires are good. That wasn't knee down, wasn't fast enough. Always don't take it the first time. Let your tires warm up, because you beat on the center of your tire. Let the sides warm up. Oh, and a video request is all these new rider videos people make. People want to hear what my opinion is on new riders. I thought of making a video about how I did my gear and selection as a new rider and what I did. Tell my story from my reasonings of my gear, and then maybe you guys can form your own opinions. I don't want to tell you guys what to do and not to do, because that's not the way I roll. You know, like I said, for bikes, buy what you like. You know, the new rider topic is just beaten to death. You know, do what you like and get what you like. But for gear, I think I had a great path. I tell all my friends who are new to riding what kind of path I took, and they, oh man, another cop, look. So something's happened. He's flying to the same general direction. So when that cop flew in front of me just now, another one's flying down another main road towards the same direction. So that means the roads in this area, there's no cop. Look at this, professional truck driver with an illegal HID kit in his truck, blinding the crap out of people. Good for you, man. Oh, another big update, guys. We had a huge bus crash with a semi-driver a couple months ago, 3 months ago. The Humboldt crash, they put hockey sticks outside in memory. It was a huge crash, guys. It was all over the news. And it turns out that the guy is facing up to almost 30 criminal charges. I think it's 29 or 28. We'll say 30. And he's also facing a big-ass lawsuit, too, from the family for what I called it for back in the day, for running a stop sign, for allegedly, just put that, allegedly running a stop sign and smoking the bus. And so for everyone that got all their panties in a knot over that topic can go and screw themselves. It's like bus drivers, not bus drivers, sorry, semi-drivers, truckers have this mentality that their momentum is more important than everyone else's lives. I hate that shit. My momentum. Stop signs, you have to stop. Red lights, you have to stop. I don't care if it's you have, you know, your weight or your load or whatever. It just really grinds my gears, man. It's like if you shift your load from racing around a corner, you're going too fast. If you shift your load from jamming on the brakes, you're going too fast. Like, you know how heavy you are. Don't pull out in front of people. Don't, you know, you have to wait a little bit longer because your car is heavy. It's just the way it is. When I drive my bike around on my SUV, not saying it's anywhere near the weight, I go slower. I'm in the right lane. I do stuff differently because I know my car is not the fastest when I'm towing. This is the way it is. I'm not saying all truckers are like that. I mean, I had some great conversations on my Facebook about truckers, 3 schools of truckers, good guys, bad guys, and I don't care guys. It was a good chat we had on the Facebook post, but thoughts to the families, man. Like, they lost their kids. Like, you should never have to lose your kids, you know? But yeah, guys, that is a quick little update video. I haven't talked to you guys like this in a long while. I know it's a little fast-paced video. I talk fast, a lot to say. Oh yeah, it's feeling good. Oh yeah, tires are feeling good. No crap on the road. There you go, that's a good update video. I need to do a rant video, and I feel one coming on soon because there's another topic in the news just today popped up about some car blasting past a motorcyclist. That one might get its own video because there's 3 things in that video I absolutely cannot stand. More than just what happened for the motorcyclist. So that one I might do by itself. Alright, boys and girls, enough of my ramblings. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.